Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite failed to open descriptor file. This will be a quick and easy way on how to do it, so I'll show you a few methods and follow me step by step to fix the error. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Epic Games, go to library, and then look for Fortnite right over here, click on the three dots right now, and then click on manage. Over here, click on verify files on verify. Click on verify right over here. What this will do is it's gonna fix any corrupted file that might be missing on your Fortnite that might be affecting the error. So go ahead and click on it and wait for it to finish in a few minutes. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your Fortnite, and if the error still persists, we have another method. Don't worry. So the other method that we can do is by still going on the Epic Games, click on library again, and then go to Fortnite, and then click on the three dots again, then click on manage again. Right over here, go down until you see the installation, click on this folder right here with the magnifier, and this will open up your folder. Over here, go ahead and click on Fortnite game, binaries, Win64. Over here, scroll down until you see the section that says Fortnite client Win64 shipping. Go ahead and right click on it, and then run as administrator. Sometimes running the game or the file as administrator will fix the problem, so go ahead and do that. If the problem still persists, we have another last method we could do. Last method we could do is go into your settings. Right click on your start right over here, click on settings, type in date and time. What this will do, it's gonna set the time for your device and also on the server and on the file. So make sure to turn this on, two of these right here, and click on sync now. Once done, go ahead and exit out and relaunch your Fortnite. So if you do find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.